Blackstone Audio presents Hero, Being the Strong Father Your Children Need by Meg Meeker, MD. This book is read by Colleen Marlowe. This book is dedicated to the great fathers who have personally inspired me to champion your outstanding examples. My husband, Walt. To my brothers Mike and Bob Jones, and my brothers-in-law Dan White, Ben McAllister, and John Linfoot. To the younger fathers, Alden, Brandon, Michael, Freddie, Brad, Luke, Bo, Corey, and Josh. And for those who will be dads, doing then on talking. And luckily for fathers, you don't have to do a lot of talking. You just have to ask specific questions and listen. Contrary to what you might think, teen girls really do like to talk to their parents. But they often feel parents don't ask the right questions or really listen to the answers they give. I can guarantee you that if you sincerely want to hear what is on your daughter's mind, what she worries about, or what she's feeling, she will talk. So rather than say, "How was your day at school?" ask her something like, "I know that you've been struggling with your coach being unreasonable. How is she treating your team now?" Find out what she's interested in: friends, athletics, clothes, music, and ask her questions around those topics. One way to get conversations going is to drive her somewhere. Take her in the car to do errands together. Being stuck alone in the car can be a great time to start discussions that might otherwise not happen. Sons grow closer to their fathers through activity, so very often, the best way to engage with them is to play catch or go to a game. These might seem like small, insignificant activities to you, but to your son, they're life-changing. A great reflection for you as a father is to hearken back to what you would have liked your dad to have done with you when you were 5 or 10 or 15 or 20. You have that chance now, so take advantage of it. The boy in you, and there's still a boy in every man, will like it as much as your son does. Being a hero to your kids is simple. It isn't easy, but it is simple. Live with courage. Take the heat and bear the burdens that come with leadership. Persevere. Don't walk out. Be tenacious in love. Speak kindly and wisely. Use your own father's example, good or bad, as a guide of things to do or to avoid. Being a hero dad doesn't mean getting everything right. It means getting the big things right. And a lot of that comes down to effort and commitment. If you've listened to this audiobook, you have the commitment, and I hope I've given you some useful pointers and tools. It's up to you to make the most of them. The game is on, and you, the hero dad, now have to get back onto the field. I'm confident that you can win. This concludes the reading of Hero, Being the Strong Father Your Children Need by Meg Meeker, MD. Copyright 2017 by Meg Meeker. This book was read by Colleen Marlowe. This unabridged recording was published by arrangement with Regnery Publishing and was produced in 2017 by Blackstone Audio, Inc., which holds the copyright. Neither this recording nor any portion of it may be reproduced or used for any purpose without prior written authorization from Blackstone Audio, Inc. If you would like to obtain a monthly update telling you about new releases, call 1-800-SAY-BOOK. That's 1-800-729-2665. For a complete listing of our titles, visit our website at www.downpour.com. Thank you.